today's review, I will show you a super advanced unlimited cloud storage platform called NextDrive. So what is NextDrive, the pros and cons, the live demo, and is it worth buying or not? But before we start, if you see this channel for the first time and you're interested in affiliate marketing and the latest products and software reviews, what you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button right now for more content. Now let's get started. NextDrive is a brand new software that helps you store, backup, share and host unlimited files in the cloud and instantly low one-time price. Data storage is a key component on a successful business. Storing, hosting files and having an up-to-date backup are the most important parts of building an empire. It prevents you from redoing tedious work. You can simply edit your past templates or use images and videos with easy and simple steps. So this is some features of NextDrive. Store unlimited files without ever paying for storage upgrades or spreading files around multiple accounts. Rest easy knowing all your files are fully backed up so you will never lose any important data. Share files instantly on social media or anywhere with one-click share links. Preview any file to quickly scan for the info you need without needing to download it. Host your videos, audios and images and enjoy lightning fast upload speeds for higher conversions. Compatible with iOS, Android and Windows. Free your mind to focus on the big pictures drives in your business. And so much more. So what NextDrive can do for you? Upload and store unlimited files no matter what size using their cloud-based storage. Access your data from anywhere in the world right at your fingertips. Just login from any device of your choice and start uploading in minutes. Share your files with friends and family, customers or business partners on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter with just one click. Your data is 100% secure with us and so well encrypted even they can't read it. With NextDrive, you can back up all your files so you will never have to fear or losing them ever again. Instantly back up all your data including videos, documents, audios and the images so you can manage them at one place. Drag and drop file manager including preview for your images, documents or videos. Revolutionary compressing algorithm makes upload and download super fast and storage a breeze. Never before seen send via email option for upload files to make everything hassle-free. Effortless background uploading so you can continue your work while files are being uploaded and a lot more of course. So here in the sales page, ready to replace iCloud, Dropbox, Google Drive and OneDrive with a single app. Brand new software helps you store, backup, share and host unlimited files in the cloud at instant low one-time price. Store unlimited files, backups, videos, photos, movies and more. There is 3 steps to use NextDrive. First step is login. Log into NextDrive from any device of your choice without any restrictions. Step number 2, upload. Drag and drop all files to NextDrive to start uploading. Watch your files uploading in minutes with our ultra-fast compressing technology. And step number 3, share. Now you can share your content, videos, audios, images, documents, graphics and more with anyone you like without ever losing it. So this is a little comparison between NextDrive, Google Cloud, Dropbox and iCloud. Like you see, NextDrive have all features that Google Cloud, Dropbox and iCloud have beside unlimited online storage and unlimited number of files. And there is a huge difference between the prices. All the other platforms charge you even monthly or yearly. Unlike NextDrive, one-time pay, no monthly fees. Now let's see NextDrive from inside. And for the cons, is it perfect at this moment and I can't no ask for more. So you will get unlimited cloud storage, 100% secure, upload up to 100 files a day, file preview, drag and drop file management, folder management, backup all your videos, documents, images and audio files, one-click link sharing to social media or anywhere, send via email option for uploaded files, background uploading or files folder. All this for $27 one-time pay, no monthly fees. So if data storage bothers you and yet you haven't found the best and safest way, now you can count on NextDrive. At my opinion, this is a great platform to host your videos, documents, images and audio files on it. Besides, you will benefit from a low price at this moment if you decide to purchase NextDrive right now. The link in the description below, you can use it to purchase NextDrive. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment anytime you want below, and subscribe for more reviews videos like this one, and see you in the next review.